National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles west of Mill Creek, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mill Creek, Hickory, Scullin, and Lake of the Arbuckles. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now